This is our sound check. They're not fancy, they're not exciting, kind of annoying actually. Drums are going off, guitars going meh, 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 meh. But they're important, because if we don't sound check properly, then we don't sound good for the crowd. It's all about the crowd. Follow me. It's the ultimate in visualizing what it's going to look like packed. Look at it empty and it still feels really good because it's a great stage. The minute that there are people in here makes all the difference. It's one of the best feelings around. It really is. I've got a friend named Dennis Marsenko, great bass guitar player, played with many great acts over the years, and he calls this an ego round. So you go and you can feel good about yourself, pump up your own ego by running out and doing one of these. It's all fun and games, but actually that works, and it's awesome.
My favorite tone? You know what, right now I'm really digging the something you just don't forget tone. Being a fiddle player, I don't get a chance to rock out much. It's not really the cool instruments. When I get to put on a Gibson Les Paul and rock out, hey, life is good.
I don't know, man. I'm checking out this Juno. It's a different instrument. I haven't really used this on many stages, many big stages. A little unsure. I like the way it feels. I love the vibe of it, but it's coming along.
The thing about this particular amp is that with the wireless adds a lot of crap to the top end, so you kind of lose some of the cable tone, but it sacrifices for the show, right? So.
Check out what pick I got. It's a real deal right there. Great sound check, everybody.